Hello and welcome back to Simply Devine Creations. If you're new here, my name is Ebony and I post weekly videos on bullet journaling, productivity and anything creative in between. Today's video is the first of many Christmas themed videos, so I thought I would kick off the holiday season this year with some Christmas themed bullet journal spreads, and I decided to go with a purple accent colour theme for these spreads because I didn't want to just keep it the traditional red and green. I thought I would change it up a little bit and I thought it turned out really nice. So the first spread I'm setting up in my bullet journal for Christmas 2020 is a gift tracker. I kept it fairly minimal, so I just did a table with a section for the recipient's name, some gift ideas, a place to mark off when I've bought it and when I've wrapped it. I also included a little purple swirl either side of the heading, and I've kept this theme running throughout the spreads just to make it more cohesive. The next spread is a wish list ideas spread, and I thought it would be really cute to make it look like the list was coming out of an envelope. Next up, I did a stocking stuffer ideas spread, and in my family I don't really do stockings. I really only do one for my husband, so that's why I've only included one really large stocking with his name on it. But I thought if you had multiple stockings that you needed to stuff this year, you could just reduce the size of the stocking and maybe stagger them around the page. I think that would look really cute. Also, I think I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video, but this is actually a Christmas spreads part 1 video, as I had so many spreads and ideas for Christmas, I just couldn't fit them all into one video, so I'm going to be doing it in 2 parts, so stay tuned for the second part to this video. And also, I'll be doing printable versions of all of the spreads that I create in my bullet journal, which will be available on my shop, link in the description box below. course I couldn't do Christmas spreads without doing a Christmas budget. So this one actually took me quite a few goes to get right. I kept changing my mind on how I wanted it to look, but in the end I am happy with how it turned out. And keeping on the money theme, the next spread is a Christmas fund savings tracker. So I thought it'd be really cute to make the savings tracker a Christmas tree. So I've just drawn out a simple tree with lines as markers for each savings milestone. And the final spread for this video is a Christmas cards to send spread. Initially I was just going to do another table, but I thought I'd done a fair few of those already, so to change it up I decided to draw little Christmas cards hanging on a string, and I will write the names of who I want to send my Christmas cards to this year inside those cards. And I think it actually did turn out quite adorable. And here is a flip through of the final spreads. Thank you for watching my Christmas bullet journal spreads 2020 part 1 video. Don't forget, if you liked this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and also hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks!